Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be working on this oil catch can. I already had it in the car. I pulled it off because the pressure from Build and Boost is causing it to leak around the edge here and around these, which I already fixed those, but I'm kind of tired of pulling the bottom off and emptying it all the time, so I want to put a valve in the bottom, so all I have to do is turn the valve and it'll drain out the bottom of the car into a pan or whatever. And then I'll silicone around here to seal all this up and it should hold pressure. I also have a one-way check valve coming to put in line, but until that gets here, this should do it, and it'll just make it easier so I don't have to unscrew this every time. Just reach down in and drain it. So I'm going to set up the camera somewhere where you can see me drilling it out. I bought a drill, tap, valve, and fitting from Harbor Freight, all of it from Harbor Freight. And I think it was like 30 bucks for everything. And what else did I get? I got hose, a bunch of spool of hose from a local garage. Sold it for me for 20 bucks. So we're gonna use that, and then hopefully that'll also fit to go from my supposed leak to the blow off valve so that it works better. But I don't know if I'll get that in this video. If I will, I'll explain more about it later. We're going to work on this right now. So I get you set up. Get forward. Alright, so it seems to work. It's just stuck in the bottom there just a little bit, and it's only threaded in a little bit, but that's what I want so that I can get as much oil out as I want. I didn't want the whole thing stuck up in there. So we're going to Teflon tape this and thread it back in, and hopefully it works. Yeah, it did exactly what I was hoping it would do. The taps work great. I bought the tap from Harbor Freight. I did not use this earlier. I did a test piece on another piece of aluminum I had, and I used the adjustable pliers, and it worked just as good, but I figured this would try to help hold it a little straighter. But yeah, that's all I wanted to do. I'm going to thread or tape this up and put it back on, and then we'll get everything all back together and put it back on the car. So good with that. Alright guys, so this video is probably going to be connected to the last video I just filmed, but it'll be all in one YouTube video. We're going to take the vacuum line from the supposed delete and put it to the blowout valve. I already did that once and I used too big a line and I think it might be leaking, plus I went all the way to the blowout valve. We're going to shorten it up and go from the supposedly to the solenoid or controller, whatever it is, underneath the engine cover, and it should work out a whole lot better. And so I'm going to set up the camera on the car, try to get all together so you can see everything that's going on. My camera guy isn't quite here, so I'm going to be trying to do it on my own, and we'll see how it goes. So the vacuum line goes from here out to the blowout valve. So you have to plug this. I don't have any caps, so I'm going to do it the long way and plug with a bolt for now until I go to the hardware store and get some caps. This vacuum line off here. Alright, so we got everything done and it worked out pretty well. The vacuum line fit, I got the right length, get rid of all that big long vacuum line that I had, and it should be pretty good. So I'll take it for a test drive, see how it works, and we'll see you on the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click the little bell for notifications, and have a good one. It's definitely nice and tight on there.